In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana data. This process is straightforward and I'm here to guide you through every step. First things first, let's log into your Asana account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Asana login page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your email address. This is the email you've registered with on Asana. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Continue button. It's located right below where you've just typed your email. Now you'll need to enter your password. Remember, this is case sensitive, so make sure you're entering the exact password you created when you set up your account. Once you've entered your password, click on the Login button, which will take you to your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in, you should be on your Asana homepage, a hub for all your projects and tasks. From here, let's find the specific project you want to export data from. Simply browse through your projects and click on the one you're interested in. With your project open, look for the Actions drop-down menu, typically located at the top of the project page. Click it to reveal a list of options. We're going to focus on the option labeled Sync Export. Click on this option and you'll be presented with different formats to export your data. For most people, exporting as a CSV file is the most versatile option, especially if you plan to use the data in Excel or similar programs. It's a widely accepted format that allows easy manipulation and analysis of your data. Once you've chosen to export as a CSV, Asana will begin generating your file. This shouldn't take long. The platform will notify you when your file is ready to download. To save the generated file, simply click on the download option that appears. This will save the file to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Asana project data. You can now open the file in your chosen data analysis tool to explore and organize your project details in a way that best suits your needs. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to follow. Whether you're managing tasks, analyzing project timelines, or reporting your progress, knowing how to export Asana data is a valuable skill. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, feel free to pause and replay sections of this video as required or reach out for more guidance. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your projects.